Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on KiCad in dark mode. When you install the KiCad, it comes under by default color which is white. If you want to turn it in dark mode, what you have to do is open the main window of KiCad, then click on Plugin and Content Manager. Then after that, you have to click on Color Themes. From here, you can find different shades. So here what I'm gonna select is Solarized Dark Theme. Click on Install, then click on Apply Pending Changes. Hit Close, again hit Close. Now reopen the schematic. Click on Preferences, again Preferences. Then after that you have to check out this schematic editor and inside it you have to select colors, and then from here theme you can select the mode which you want. So here I want to use the dark mode which I installed right now, so I will select this and hit OK. So as you can see, in this way you can turn on the schematic editor into dark mode.